Hi there, welcome to Orane International, the super academy that offers professional training for beauty solutions across India. My name is Smita Ray. In the last video, I told you about some awesome drinks that works miraculously to get acne-free clear skin. In this video, I'm gonna give you a great list of foods that you should be taking if you do love your skin. So in this video, we'll be talking about how to keep your skin healthy, glowing and attractive. Avocados are high in healthy fat, and this fat benefits many functions in your body like keeping your skin flexible and moisturized. It is also a very good source of vitamin E and antioxidant which protects your skin from oxidative damage, thus protecting it from wrinkles and other signs of aging. What makes walnut an excellent food for healthy skin is being a great source of essential fatty acid that our body cannot make on its own. In fact, it is richer in omega-3 than other nuts. 30 grams of walnut contains 6% of RDI for zinc, which your body needs to prevent your skin from bacteria and inflammation. Seeds and nuts are good source of skin boosting elements, and sunflower seeds are excellent for your skin. 30 grams of sunflower seeds contain vitamin E, selenium, zinc and protein. And you can add sunflower seeds into your breakfast bowl, into your smoothies, and you can have them during your snacks. Sweet potato is known as a good carb, and it's an excellent source of beta-carotene. It also keeps your skin healthy by acting as natural sunblock. Beta-carotene is an excellent nutrient which functions as a provitamin A. That means it can convert into vitamin A in your body. Beta-carotene is also found in oranges and other vegetables like carrot and spinach. If you are a non-vegetarian, fish, especially fatty fish like mackerel and salmon, are an excellent food for your skin. Fish is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, which keeps your skin thick, agile and moisturized. The omega-3 fats in fish reduces inflammation, the redness of your skin and acne. In addition, fatty fish is also a great source of vitamin E, high quality of protein, zinc that is vital for regulating inflammation and also production of new skin cells and your overall skin health. Bell pepper are an excellent source of beta-carotene which your body converts into vitamin A. These are also one of the best sources of vitamin C, necessary for producing protein collagen, which keeps your skin firm and strong. Most of us, we don't like broccoli, but broccoli contains many vitamins and minerals which are important for your skin health, like zinc, vitamin A and vitamin C. Broccoli is also a powerful protective agent against sun damage, so don't forget to include that in your diet. Soy. It contains isoflavone, a category of plant compound that benefits several areas of your body, including your skin. It also reduces the wrinkles and improves your skin elasticity. Do you love chocolates? I do. If you need one more reason to eat them, then here it is. The effect of cocoa on your skin is pretty phenomenal. If you want to see great results, then choose a dark chocolate with at least 70% of cocoa in it. So go and enjoy. Tomatoes are an excellent source of vitamin C and all of the major carotenoids that protect your skin from sun damage and prevent wrinkling. So don't forget to rub a tomato on your face while chopping it. If you really want that healthy, glowing and attractive skin, start consuming these foods daily. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching it. And to get notified when we come up with more videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Orane International
and press the bell icon as well. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.